Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix Bluetooth pairing issues for your speaker JBL Flip 7. Firstly, make sure that your Bluetooth is turned on, so go to the settings, Bluetooth or connected devices, and if it's turned off, just turn on it and tap on your speaker at the device list. And we have connection. But if it didn't help you, firstly we should perform a soft reset. So, press one time at the power button to turn off your speaker. Now your speaker is disconnected from your phone, so then we need to turn on the speaker to reconnect it and it can fix some small trouble. So press on it, we turn on it, and now we should see that it's connected, and we have connection. If it also didn't help you, we should remove and add this speaker. So, click the information icon or settings icon if you have Android near to your speaker. Then forget the device and forget device. If you have Android, also click pair new device, and after that, press one time at the Windows button to enter, the Bluetooth button to enter pairing mode. Now, we see it at the device list, so just tap on it. And we have connection also. But if all of these methods didn't help you, the last one what we can do is to perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, you need to press play pause button and volume up button simultaneously for at least 2 seconds until your speaker is turned off. So let's try it. I'm pressing hold on it. And my speaker just turned off, so firstly we need to again remove it. Click the information icon or settings icon, forget and forget. Now, press one time at the power button to turn on your speaker, and after factory reset, the speaker enters to pairing mode automatically, so we don't need to use this Bluetooth button, it automatically enters to pairing mode, and we just tap at the speaker at the device list, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!